Welcome to the Duda Experts Education Series, brought to you by the Duda Solutions Partners here at Fix8 Media. Today we're going to talk about the content area of your website. In other videos we've covered the Media Manager, and today we're going to discuss the Connected Data section. The Connected Data section allows your website to communicate information via what is called Schema. Clicking on Business Info, you can immediately see that you can enable local business schema, which is going to help increase your site's visibility in search results. This is definitely something that you want to consider if you have a brick and mortar location or an address-based business. You can also add multiple locations. So if your business has more than one location and you want to take advantage of this section, you definitely would choose add another location. You can add your business name, business type, business logo, location information, phone, email, socials, hours, as well as some additional custom fields that you can add. The business text section allows you to put some short snippets or blurbs of text like about, company overview, perhaps some information on your services. And then business images, again, you could upload your logo, but a lot of our clients would use their front door, the front desk, perhaps a waiting area, things like that. So again, if you have a brick and mortar or an address-based business, you certainly want to take a look at utilizing the connected data, which is housed under the content section of your website. Thanks so much for watching, and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks from the Fix8 Duda experts.